How to equip more pets in Arm Wrestle Simulator. So first, you just have to go to your Roblox and log in to your account and then look for this game. Now, Arm Wrestle Simulator has features for pets. So you must hatch an egg, which costs a certain number of wins in order to obtain them. Your strength is increased by a multiplier that pets provide you. Only 70 pets may be in player's inventory, and they may only equip a maximum of 3 pets at a time. So you can only equip 3 pets, and if you want to equip more, you have to pay for that. So in order for you to equip more pets here, what you want to do is to go to noob area, and you can read here, find 50 pets for plus 1 pet equip, and then plus 1 equip for every 100 pets. So if you want to equip more, you just have to find 50 pets, okay? And if you want to equip plus 1, you have to find more pets, in short, okay? So you can now start looking for those pets, and once you have found them or gained them, you can go back to pets and equip your pet here, okay? So I do really hope that this video helped you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in our next videos.